Alright guys, so we're going to look at the module for 8/20/21. So as always, remember to do your safety test if you haven't done that. Also sign the safety contract online if you haven't done that as well. And just a reminder, if you are in first period, you will click this one. If you are not in first period, you're in either second, sixth, eighth, 5th or 7th, you'll click this one right here. So if you go here, you will go to day 2. Day 2 has a warm-up. You will do the graphical organizer once it loads. So you'll move which ones go to which biomolecule. And then what else do you have for day 2? You have a burn video ed puzzle. You'll watch the video and do the questions. You have a biochem drill quiz. This will help you for the big drill that will be a daily grade and also for your test coming up. And then you have notes. I'll have a video of the notes. And also, just like the biomolecule one, you have to authorize. Why aren't you working? You have to be in your Google account for the school to do it, and then you're going to do your notes off of that. And then you have this discussion right here. And a Quizlet review. Here is quizzes to help you get more practice on biomolecules. And that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or by email or Remind 101. Either one works really well.